We start with organic wheat berries. Now we mill them to make flour. I am now pouring in water and making sure it is the right temperature and right amount of water. Now I'm adding sugar for the yeast to wake up. Now I'm measuring the right amount of yeast. Now I'm mixing it up so the sugar and yeast are mixed. It smells funny. Adding salt to the bowl. I'm measuring and adding flour. Mixing flour all together with the salt. Inserting the mixing tool. They ate the sugar and are converting it into carbon dioxide and ethanol, which is alcohol. Now I'm mixing it all together. Covering it in saran wrap and letting it rise. I'm preparing the surface to knead the bread. Kneading it and stretching it helps to create gluten. Now I'm sealing the edges to make the shape of the baguette. I have to cover them and keep them moist. The bread just came out the oven and we put it on the cooling rack. Voila, your food is served.